I'm doing a video on opening these up. These stopped working. This is a straight up legitimate Apple MagSafe 2 power supply for the Apple Mac. Yep, there it is, MagSafe 2. And this is the Apple branded one. They stopped working. This is a third-party one I purchased a long time ago on eBay. Worked just fine. I believe it's 80 or 85 watts. Oh, there it is. So you choose the wattages. 85. I usually left it at 85. It did a good job, but it stopped working. Started to overheat. So I'm curious to see what's inside. And if you're watching this video, I have no idea how to open them. I've never opened one of these. I've never looked up how to open one of these. So I'm doing this for the first time. I'm assuming you just pry it open. Everything should be, I believe, glued. Be careful. I am no expert. Do this at your own risk. And again, you're going to possibly break the item. So be be careful. You know, you could hurt yourself. Let me try the third party one. Yep, the third party one is easier. Look at that. Awesome. You can just tell the build quality already. That's the, oh, that was easy. And that was fast on the third party power supply. So I don't know what any of this stuff is. Came with a USB adapter. This has been not used for well over a year, so be careful if you don't do this on something you just disconnected, as there may be electrical current still in the unit. I've had that happen. Used to happen to me on the old TV sets with the tubes. Back in the day, you had to be real careful. Those you could have off for a year and still have current. So you're doing this all at your own risk. So that's the breakdown of the third party one. I don't think there's anything. Okay, let me take out this board here. Okay, they're all connected to the board, and that's everything inside. So I'll be recycling this, and I'm just showing you the inside of the item if you're interested. Now let's go to the Apple one. Should be able to pry it open. This can be the hard one. Let me get some. Use a putty knife or a scraper. Try to see if I can get in there. Be really careful. I'm trying to be as careful as I could. Yeah, this is like glued on. I'm gonna have to get something sharp. Let me see if I can slice any seal that may be. And do this at your own risk. It's dangerous, please. With a razor blade. I'm in. Let me try a bigger one. Okay, got it open. Well, started to. I got the bigger screwdriver. Remember, I'm doing this so you don't have to. This is everything from the Apple one. I'm separating the third-party one from the Apple one. It's all glued. Just see the glue around there. Much better quality glue than the third-party one, that's for sure. There it is. It's like a ground. So glued. This seems like no screws at all. You can see the glue coming off. It looks like it has covered by a heat sink. That's pretty cool. Let's take that off. Yeah, this looks like a whole heat sink. That's pretty cool. And everything else. And this is a 45 watt, so it's a lot smaller than the 85 watt that they sell. Well, they no longer sell these anymore, since now they're using USB-C to power their Macs. But I'm still using them. I think MagSafe is from 2015 and below. Am I correct? Or it could be, I'm gonna go with 2018 is when they went to USB-C. But I could be wrong, but it's in that ballpark, a year or two. And that's the inside, let me see. Be really careful. I almost cut myself a few times. You don't want to cut yourself. It's like a white powder on it. Alright. I just broke it. Alright, that's the inside look. A destructive inside look on the MagSafe 2 power supply and the third-party MagSafe 2 power supply. Alright, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.